With GoPro Hero 10 Black, GoPro introduced a new protective lens cover that mainly protects your lens from dirt and scratches, but this time around it also has a hydrophobic coating that's supposed to repel water from its surface, helping you get rid of those nasty drops of water that can potentially ruin your shot. This protective lens is also compatible with GoPro Hero 9 Black, so if it works as advertised, that can be really an interesting option if you're going to do some water sports and want to make sure that your footage gonna be okay. So in this video, I'm going to do 3 water tests using a spray bottle, 2 bottles of water, and a gardening hose to see if that new lens cover really helps get rid of that water drops. First, let's start with a spray bottle. Now, let's splash and pour some water on top of it with 2 bottles of water. And finally, it's time for the gardening hose. So let's put these cameras to a real test and let's simply test it out in a real life scenario when water is simply falling on these protective lenses. So how does it look like? Can you see anything on the GoPro Hero 9 Black compared to Hero 10? Once again, there is a really strong storm. There's a lot of water. I'm not gonna even leave the car to test it out. So I can literally see that on the Hero 9 Black the protective lens is literally covered with big water droplets, and on the Hero 10 Black actually it looks pretty good. As you see, the water is literally flashing all around. Okay, so once again, this is how it looks like with the protective lens on the GoPro Hero 10 Black versus Hero 9. So what do you think about it? Let me know about it in the comment section below, and for today guys, that's gonna be that's it. See ya!